Hello, I'm here to guide you through how to get text from images. Now let's say this particular picture, you want text that's written on that picture, and you can use your phone camera to do that by downloading a third-party app. Now I'm using one called image to text. So if I open the app over here, so first of all open the app. After opening the app, click on start. You can choose the image from your gallery or from your camera. I want to choose from my camera. So now I'm going to take a picture of the image I want. Let's say I just want the spot. Take the picture. After doing that, click on OK. The picture is OK. Now you can specify where you want the text you want. After that, click on mark. Then to show you the text there. As you can see, homes, offices, kitchens, and everything. And that's it. You can copy, share. You can copy the text and even share it. And that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.